Glitzglamfam, welcome back to my channel. I'm so tired. It's the end of the day. Still kind of light outside, but yeah, we're here. We are here. We are unboxing. We are ready. So welcome back to my channel, Glitzglamfam. I've been totally MIA. You don't even know what's been happening. It's been crazy, 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 crazy. So we're not gonna get into that. We are gonna get into the May Glitzglambox. So if you guys wanna see what's inside of the May Glitzglambox, stay tuned. And make sure you subscribe, okay? Subscribe. You gotta subscribe. Okay, guys, if you don't know who I am Chanelle, the Glitzglambox CEO. Started Glitzglambox years ago with my sister, and the rest is history. So every month I do an unboxing on my YouTube channel. Y'all, it was a struggle to get this done. It was a struggle. It's still April, but usually I have it filmed, pre-filmed, but man, it's been a struggle. I'm like, should I wait till May to film it? And I'm like, no, let me just film it now, just in case. So yeah, if you guys want to see what's in the May Glitzglambox, stay tuned. Guys, I'm au naturel today. I have no makeup on and no hair. We're just really, really keeping it real. We are keeping it real. Okay, so May has what? 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So May has 4 items. It's a pinky type vibe, not necessarily the products themselves, but the packaging is definitely a pinky type vibe. So we are going to be featuring I'll show you guys the first item. So the first item is this liner, and it's so cute. It is like a heart-shaped type deal. And it's a black liner, and it's the Liquid Love liner. And you'll see why this is relevant in a minute. Next thing we are featuring is one of my favorites for this month. These are the Pinky Star lashes in our Never Basic lash line. I can't. We've outdone ourselves this time. We really have. So there's 2 more styles to our collection. And I did order a lot more because I know people, they want to get all the lashes in the collection. So we have extras. So they're going to be on the site for Double the Glam. I believe my sister's updating that as we speak. So here are the 2 styles. So this one is going to be, wait, what's this one? This one's awesome. And it's a very natural, wispy type of lash. And this is totally rad. So this is the more dramatic of the 2, but it's still, you can still get away with this on a natural day. So here we go here, and here we go here. So you guys can grab these on Double the Glam. But you will get one style, a random style in your box. So, and it has this iridescent pink glitter paper, which is the stuff that dreams are made of. So I love this. I'm just like, I have these literally lined all along the counter just to look at them because they're just everything. They're everything. They're everything. Okay, so next thing we are featuring is from Solo Look, our friends over at Solo Look. So we have the lipsticks in the palette for the 90210. It's literally the whole 90210 Beverly Hills collection. So this includes the palette, which is for eyes and face. And then it has 3 lippies in the collection. So 2 are liquid lipsticks, and 1 is a lip gloss. So exciting. You guys can get the whole collection if you'd like. We have these on Double the Glam. You're gonna get the palette and 1 random lippy in your box. So let's open these up and see what they're all about. So this one's called Brenda Loves Dylan. Okay, so this is a red type deal. I'll put the swatches in here. And this is the bad boy. This is the gloss, I know, from when I was doing the postcards. So this is like a glossy type deal. I'll put the swatches in, and then this is another lipstick. So this is red too. So the deal with the reds is one is brighter than the other. So yeah. So there we go. So if you want to get the whole collection, you can just go to Double the Glam. Or if you just want to get one of the reds and then the gloss, because the gloss is a lilac-y color, you can do that. So this Brenda Loves Dylan seems to be a little bit more orange, and this Dylan Loves Kelly is more like a red. So this is like a little more rusty than I'll show you, than the Dylan Loves Kelly. So these are cool. The reds are mattes, liquid matte lipstick, and the purple is a gloss. So that's cool. And then the thing everyone always loves, the palette. I want to do a no palette month soon, but I have a couple palettes coming up. So yeah. So this is Beverly Hills 90210. If you're still watching, leave a comment down below. Let me know, like, do you know anything about this show? I know it's from like the 90s. But yeah. So, okay, let's get into the palette. So you get a mirror. Fabulous. And I think this is just so cute. It's like, cause you have, you know, you get a million palettes in subscription boxes. So this one is like, you know, something you could take on vacation. Cause like, okay, so my birthday's in August. So I was trying to get off work for my birthday, and silly me thinking to request off in April that August would be free, but it's like all these people took off in August, I guess. I don't know. So I was like, okay, mind you, my birthday's on August 13th, which is Friday the 13th. But anyway, I'm not excited to get old, but I'm just like, this year has been so bleak. I need to do something. I want to do something fun. I want to go somewhere warm. So even though I live at the Jersey Shore, I want to go to Jamaica. But anyway, shout out to anyone who's ever been to Jamaica. Leave a comment down below. What resort did you stay at? I've been looking at all these resorts on YouTube to see, like, what's, you know, I want to party. So I need a party resort, all inclusive. Not the nudist resorts, nothing like that, you know, just like party, not that kind of party, okay? Okay, let's get into the palette. Okay, so these are like for your face, so you can use these as highlights, and these are eyeshadows, but it's your palette, do what you want to. You can use these as eyeshadows, you can, you know, do whatever. And this is really, it's really versatile, so it has a lot of different shades on it. So yeah, you know, we love a glitter moment. Yeah, so this is gonna be the glitter item this month, would be the highlighters down here in the bottom row. So I know people get upset when we don't have a physical glitter, but we have glitter on our package, and then it's like a shimmery highlight. I can't do like glitter every single month, just to keep it, you know, keep it fresh, keep it fun. So so yeah, so that is the May Glitzglambox. Should I do a spoiler for June? Just for my Glitzglamfam. Just for my Glitzglamfam. Okay, so for June, the spoiler is the Jersey Shore. And June is so cute. I mean, I like May too, but let me show you guys what all you get this month. So you get this. You're gonna get the lipstick or lip gloss, random selection, and you get the lashes, and then you get the eyeliner also. So you get all this for $15. I mean, Glitzglambox is really untouchable value-wise, because what box is $15 and you're getting all of this? And you know, it shows up on time and not a month late. And you know, we're not showing like bait and switch spoilers like some companies. Like they show you NARS and you don't get NARS. You don't get NARS in your box. But anyway, not to toot Glitzglambox's own horn, but yeah. So you get the palette, you get the liner, and then you get the lippy and also the lash. So yeah, you want to subscribe. Now we did sell out last month, and we sold out in February. Yeah, so we sold out in February, we sold out in March. We sold out in April. Obviously, we sold out in March. We had the Charm palette. We sold out in April. So the moral of the story is keep your subscription up to date. Okay, that is the moral of the story here for me anyway. We're not Amazon. You can't just order something and get it in 2 days. Like, we have to really plan out our inventory and know our quantities. So when we're sold out or we're getting close to sold out, we're gonna shut down the site for the monthly Glitzglambox. Now, other stuff you can still buy if you'd like. But yeah, when we start to get close to sold out, the site will shut down. So you want to just make sure you keep your subscriptions up to date. And you want to make sure you're not like, some people cancel, resubscribe, and they're like, I want this month's box. I'm like, we're sold out. We are sold out. So yeah, so the moral of the story is keep your subscription up to date, okay? You know, because we don't have like, you know, a past box that we can send out. You know, if you want this month's box and you know, you really like Glitzglambox, you want to just make sure your subscription's up to date. I don't want to see any hate emails. I don't want people dragging me that we're sold out, okay? Because you were warned, all right? I told everyone, I'm like, keep your subscriptions up to date, please. You can skip a month if you'd like instead of canceling. If you skip, then you can unskip and then you'll be on the list for that month, as long as we're not sold out. So yeah, if we go on lockdown mode, there ain't nothing I can do. I mean, even I don't get a palette that month. So so yeah, so you guys make sure that you stay subscribed. If you want to, you know, take a break or whatever, you can always skip versus canceling, because if you cancel, then you'll have to go through and resubscribe again. If we have boxes, no problem, we can send them out, but when we sell out, we sell out, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to give that little disclaimer because we were getting a little couple of emails, and well, not a couple, we got like, I think like 50 emails or whatever. So anyway, so yeah, so well, we got some emails asking why we were sold out. So we're gonna unlock the site for our Glitzglamfam. So if you're watching this video and you want to subscribe now, the site will be unlocked. Also, Double the Glams will be live. So if you want to snag anything, go right ahead. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. I have for Hot Kitty Beauty the lash liner glue. So I'll show you. This is the pink one. I just brought it because it matched, well, kind of matches everything this month. So I'll show you guys so it's like a liner plus a glue. So if you can see here, isn't that so cute? And then I'll show you, you can like stick a lash on there and it'll stick on. So I didn't have enough to give out to all the subscribers. So what we can do is, if you want to grab the liner lash glue, you just go on hotkittybeauty.com. You use code GGB, and so there you can see it sticks on. Oh, I should have did it lower so you could see the actual pink. Yeah, so it sticks on there, and it's a really, really good time saver. Yeah, so if you guys want to get that, you can go on hotkittybeauty.com, use the code GGB, and it'll ship in your monthly Glitzglambox, and it'll be free shipping. So if you want to add those on. See, I wanted to give them to everyone, but I just didn't have enough in stock because they're really popular sellers. So I didn't have enough in stock to give one to all the subscribers. And I was like, oh, I could get more, but it's going to take forever. So yeah, if you want to snag one of those, we have a bunch of different colors. There's clear, there's black, this is the pink. You don't have to use it as glue. You could just use it as like a liquid liner if you want. And then there's clear too. So yeah, if you guys want to grab that, go to hotkittybeauty.com. We have all the glitters too. Oh, okay, let's get into the giveaway winner. Okay, so last month I had everyone tell me what you were doing on spring break. So I think I'll put a little snip in of the winner right here. You guys want to contact me to claim your prize. Make sure that you track me down. Okay, you guys are so good at tracking me down. So track me down to claim your prize. Yeah. Okay, so congrats to the winner. I'll put them in here. Congrats. Yay. Now for the May giveaway, what are we gonna do? Oh, tell me what you guys think would be a perfect Mother's Day. You know, money's no object. Tell me what is your idea of a perfect Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is coming up and my mom double dips because it's her birthday and then on May 1st, and then it's Mother's Day right after that, and then her favorite child, my baby sister Clarissa, was born May 16th. So she's always like, did you get Clarissa a gift? Did you get Clarissa a gift? It's like, we got Clarissa a gift. Okay, Mom, your favorite child, the Messiah, the youngest born, has her gift, okay? And you have your gift and your Mother's Day gift. So it's like, I have to do all this work. So yeah, like a couple years ago, you know, my sister Lauren that I started Glitzglambox with, I was like, you're not helping me for Mother's Day. I have all this work to do, blah, blah, blah. And she's like, well, I'm a mom too. And I was like, oh. So for like the last 8 years, I've been doing Mother's Day all by myself. So it's like, I have her, I have my sister, I have my mom, then we have my mom's birthday, then we have my sister's birthday. I can't. It's too much. This is why last year, I will put a clip in if I can. I was taking a little drinky drink during my unboxing, my May unboxing last year, okay? So yeah, in honor of Cinco de Mayo. So I have a lot to do. Everyone give a happy birthday shout out to Mama Glitzglam, because her birthday is Friday. No, is it Saturday? It's Saturday, and I have a huge surprise. I love surprises. I'm just like, I'm gonna pull up and be like, you know, with my sunglasses on. Oh, I should have worn them for the video. I'm gonna pull up with my sunglasses on and be like, get in. Where are we going? She's gonna be like, where are we going, Chanelle? Tell me, blah blah blah. And I'm gonna be like, just get in. It's of no concern to you, Mom. Okay, guys. So yeah, so to enter the giveaway, leave a comment down below. What is your idea of a perfect Mother's Day gift? Or activity, whatever. Yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Everyone have an awesome month. I'm going to try to post more. It's not that I don't even have videos to post. I have so many videos filmed. I just have not posted them. The struggle is real, y'all. The struggle is so real. So I'm going to get motivated. I'm going to post some of the videos that I have in my archive. I have a bunch of mystery boxes. I have like Tarte, this other one, Eleve, which I have Ofra. I have, what else? I have a couple of them. So yeah, I'm going to get motivated. I'm going to post those. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until the next video. Bye.